Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will learn how to auto-sort data in Google Sheets using the sort formula. This sheet is provided for you in the description below. You may download it to practice. Let's begin. First, we need a new table created along with the original table. This is where the new data will be displayed after automatic sorting. After creating headers like this, click on the first empty cell in this new table. Type =, and sort. Now a drop-down menu is prompting us to select one of the available formulas. By default, we have the first option selected on it. We can now either do as suggested here and hit Tab to choose it, or you may simply click on it to apply. Google Sheets will now display a set of values inside brackets. These values are called arguments. Each argument reflects the information you would like the formula to calculate. The first argument highlighted now is range. It is to calculate the range of cells you would like to sort. Let's begin selecting our range for this table. Apparently, it is important to skip the heading cells and only select the cells with the data we'd like to sort. Let's change 20 into 200. This little trick will cover the table almost infinitely below, so that whenever new entries are added, they are also included and sorted automatically in the other table. I will demonstrate this in the end. Now add a comma in the formula to move to the next argument. Here we have sort column. This argument is to determine which column you would like to sort the new table by. Let's go for the ID numbers. Out of the 3, that's column number 1. Simply type 1. We will again add a comma to move to the final argument for today's purpose. Is underscore ascending, as evident from this argument's name itself, is to determine if the order you'd like to apply is ascending. If yes, type true. If not, type false. For now, let's go with the ascending order and close the bracket to complete this formula. Now hit enter to successfully apply automatic sorting. There we have it, a live table sorted according to the user's preferences. I can now go ahead and edit my original data. As we can see, the other table adjusts automatically. It places the new entry where it belongs in the IDs order. To sort by other columns, like the full names or the departments in this case, simply double-click the cell containing the formula. Edit the arguments accordingly. Let's try sorting by departments in a descending alphabetical order. I'll simply change 1 into 3 and the true to false. There we have it, folks. The data has now been successfully updated. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful Google Sheets tips. Thanks for watching.